Kardom pinibirta jikta pinibirta thanmang phi nilika jirong hangpi. Aprang si birtang tonpen sepajer midam de aprang birtang kungpi arjikta.
Harlong Cepat Water Supply Scheme Hamren PHE Subdivision Dotadonak Amo Bangladesh. Chengbong Patrol Klamalong Jersong NGO Tumpen Integrated Tribal Development Project Karbianglong Autonomous Council Principal Secretary Siri Sanjeev Kumar Das Aridingpen Kangpupon.
Birtang kungpi arjikta phi puthat birtang tonpen sepajer midam sinang. Karbianglong Autonomous Council Principal Secretary Siri Sanjeev Kumar Das Aridingpen Integrated Tribal Development Project Kangpupon.
Chengbong Patrol Klamalong Integrated Tribal Development Project Karbianglong Autonomous Council Sanjeev Kumar Das Aridingpen Kangpupon. Lapang Somayalong Karbianglong Autonomous Council Principal Secretary Sanjeev Kumar Das, NABARD Bank General Secretary K. Pravin Raj Udapa, Jersong NGO Director Father Tommy, West Karbianglong ADC Anil Das, Kopili Constituency ABDC Hon Singh Terang, Rongkhang Block BTO Social Workers, Augustine Ingni Lapen Kaprek Aman Kidotum Chetongpen, Mayalong Kethanpon Ke, Non Longle Kadure Ahut, Ke Lahoy Akatiki Highway Si Klampon Nangpo, Longle Pahino Nipin Pen Lasi Lapang So Project Ke, Napart Apeng Pensi, Dengpon Lo Lapen, Lapang So Project Apan, Kuti Sira Lak Inquira Sir Captain Ponlo, Lapen Lak Inquira Pike, Beneficiaries Atuma Pansi Thakpon Po, Lapen Don Parohini A beneficiary atum alilong dun jipusit nilitum rangke tumapan nang pachinidon.
This program has covered 200 families. At the first phase, they will cover 75 families, and next phase they will cover 125 families. For this purpose, NABARD will sanction 129 lakh, and around 24 lakh will be the contribution of the beneficiaries. This is a self-employed scheme. NABARD this Jersong Assam in consultation in coordination with NABARD, they will implement the scheme.
Through which bank we are going to implement?
This bank is NABARD.
This is
We hope people will be self-employed because no government can give employment to each and every person. So you see, although we are consuming andhra fish, andhra egg, and we are consuming vegetable from Kharupeke area and Morigaon area. If they can, why we can't? If we go for self-employment, definitely do it.
Jengkapen Berta Pangdapot Samuel Timung, News 24 Karbianglong.
Bokajan hanjang lang so pendang lok arong lang kithe kang lumpen ajok rat kisung nang lasi Karbianglong Autonomous Council aphan kerap kacohang.
Retroxy Bokajan LA Constituency Angka Inkorahini Surupothar Constituency Balipothara Hawar Along Paklang Sunong Wan Jang Erarong Paklang Sunong Tu Lapetin Nembar Adolso Arong Along Langit Hejok Hem Brit Meri Bitung Antak Nohok Lapason Si Tekpolong Nipai Kristir Kia Pai Pai Ciklon Hingga Arwi Kejang Ketepak Pigajok Hurichan Pi Aroy, Hurichan Soaroy, Tengkera Lang Soaroy, Tutung Lang Soaroy Lapente, Pak Lang Soaroy Along, Kacitokpon, Ahawara Hapararatum, Langkit Inglum Erasonsi, Tekpolong Mati Kisung Cicakna. Pak Lang Sunong Wanjang Erarong Terang Arong, Ronghang Arong, Pak Lang Sunong Tu, Panduri, Bearong, Membar Adolso, Satirong Biarong, Amreng Terang Arong, Risurong Hangarong, Kangker Timorong, Dhormusing Bearong, Kandong Terang Arong, Lapen, Poklen Lek Herong, along anta langke thing lum etsi thekpolong pini bangso langke thik ke banga jok hawar arara tum chutang pendang lok kisung manang no lasi prabjin pen palte pader de pin pen inquirani surupothar constituency hawa kisung kacetong arara tum Karbianglong Autonomous Council CM MLA lapete MP atumapan kisung kacetong arara tum kisung pen kacepa jok je phan hadak arara tum kerap johangpon Balipothar pen Berta Pangdapon Chotno Singbe News 24 Karbianglong.
Along cobat along PHE amo kewang ahem patap ham anchot pusin itum perangke kahomri damahud berta nang pachinidun.
Hamren pen constituency ke parlopon harlong cepat arong along lang ahem tap dotat donak asansit nang mandet lapen haladak arong aradatum ke mesen pen ke junalang awarsai arelang lapang so PhD ningkaning koi plengera pita Kerbiang Long Autonomous Council pen nang kahomri abe pinlang haladak ke hon ahem pusitame rulablo lapen lang ahem tap si tekon long chotsi nang mandet lo haladak arong aradatum ke mesen pen lang kijon ponlong jiapan halabang solang ahem tap kipareng pontu jiapan si haladak arong aradatum Kerbiang Long Autonomous Council CEM tuliram rong hangapan si training report kolonga pen berita pangdakpot jesong timung News 24 Kerbiang Long.
Pinia berta lansikang toning lo do methangmi kardom.